completed my graduation in BCom, finance background, and I joined Qspiders on September, and I got placed yesterday in the company name called Code Software. Where there was 3 rounds, and I cracked all the 3 rounds very good and gave my best. So joining the Qspider, it made me get impressed and inspiration of IT field. I was not even knowing what is IT scope and how it is going to be. But when I joined to Qspider, because of my cousin, all of my cousin sisters and everyone was working in IT field, and they told me to join Qspider. So because of their reference, I joined Qspider, and after coming here, I feel that I choose the best branch and best institution to learn and get knowledge and skills. Here they have trained me on manual testing, SQL and Java and automation testing. So manual testing was taught by Uma Shankar sir, where he teaches very good and very interestingly the topics and the concept. He makes us to understand very easily. And the SQL was done by Stalker sir, and Java class was taken by Manjuna sir, where as a non-IT student it was very headache to study the programming classes, where I was feeling so irritating that I can't understand understanding the programming classes. So where Manjunath sir made me to stand on the stage and giving the presentation, explaining each and every programs, giving the example till I get understand. And for coming to HRs, HRs are very good here, because each and every HR, not only one HR, every HR will recognize and they will give the requirement if we are best in the training. Sorry, sir. So they will see how we are performing in the classes, and on that basis they give the requirement. If we are good at our performance, they will soon they will recruit us. And so they have conducted presentation classes to improve our communication skills, and they conducted communication classes also. So many people here, they can't speak English fluently. So improve that skills, communication skill. They conducted communication classes, and they started doing presentation classes. So by doing presentation classes over there, HR and faculties come and see how we do presentation on the topics, and how good at our topics, and giving the answers and explaining in best way. And they take grooming section also before we going to attend the interview. So in grooming classes, they will help us like how to crack the interview in the simple way, and what is the pattern of the company, what all the questions they are going to ask, and how to answer the questions, how easily we can get into the organization. Each and everything they will help in the grooming section. So Vaibhav sir have taken aptitude and grooming classes, me going before to the interview. So he supported me like how to think and write the essay writing and group discussion, how to think positive way and giving positive answers, how to attract the interviewers for their knowledge and my knowledge. So I choose a good place where a good branch where I can show my knowledge and get recognized. So I have joined to Hebbal Branch. So this branch have given me the life like going into the IT field as a non-IT student. Thank you.